What's up, marshmallow lovers? Let's make frozen hot cocoa together. You're gonna need 2 cups of ice, 1 cup of milk, and a packet of cocoa. Heat half a cup of the milk, then add 1 pack of cocoa. And this month we're doing Taste Like Oreos Joy Craft Cocoa. Mix together until the sugar dissolves. And then add the hot cocoa to your blender with half a cup of cold milk to cool it off. Add 2 cups of ice, more if you want it a little slushier. Get ready to blend, but not for too long, because you want to keep that chunky iciness to it. In our family pack, you've got some color changing cups. Watch it turn from yellow to green. Your leftovers, you can find your favorite goblet and add the rest of your frozen hot chocolate. Don't forget to add marshmallows and sprinkles for fun. Enjoy your frozen hot cocoa this summer.